Okay, so you can share the link to your friend also. All right. Okay guys, so this is the first question. Okay, inilah soalan pertama. So guys, when you see this question is on what chapter? May I know? Soalan ni tentang apa? If you all see the question, this is number 1. So anyone? What chapter is this? Very good. Okay, this is linear law guys. Form 4, chapter 6. Okay, form 4 bab 6 iaitu hukum linear. Correct. Okay, so the question is, you must find the value of KPQ. Kamu kena cari 3 nilai ni. Okay, first step, linear law guys. What must you do? Selalu dalam hukum linear, kamu akan buat step mana dulu? What's the first step? Okay, this is our equation, persamaan kita. So now, what should I do to the equation? Saya kena buat apa pada persamaan tu? Anyone? Okay, so first question I ask like this lah. This type of equation, is this linear or non-linear? Cuba bagi tahu dulu. Persamaan tu linear atau bukan linear? Yes, non-linear, right? Correct. Okay, yang ni bukan linear. Okay, sebab kamu nampak x kuasa 2. Okay, whenever you see x power 2, right guys, is always non-linear. Remember. Okay, when only you have x power 1, this one is linear. Understand? Kena x kuasa 1 baru linear. Okay? So now, if you have non-linear equation, what should you do? What is the next step? Kamu kena tukar dia jadi apa? What you need to change it to? You must change to what? Apa bentuk persamaan yang kamu nak pada akhir bab ni, at the end? Anyone? Yes, you have to change to linear lah. Okay, this is linear law. Hukum linear ajar kamu tukar bukan linear ke linear. Okay, so you must convert it. So guys, how to know how to change? Macam mana kita tahu nak ubah apa? Siapa boleh bagi tahu daripada persamaan ni? What should we change over here? So macam mana kita tukar persamaan tu? Siapa tahu? Kita kena lihat apa? Yes, very good. Okay, bahagi semua dengan X. Okay, because you see the axis. Okay, kamu nampak faksi yang kamu kena plot. Okay, Y over X. So maksudnya kena bahagi X lah kepada seluruh persamaan. Okay, so Y equal to X square plus KX. So Y over X equal to 2X plus K. Alright, boleh faham guys? Do you understand the concept here? So you need to convert to a linear equation. Okay, now you want to find 3 unknown. Kamu nak cari 3 pemboleh ubah yang tidak diketahui. So konsep apa kena guna kat sini? Siapa tahu? What is the concept we need here? Admaths very common one. Kamu selalu guna konsep ni. Admaths. So anyone? What's the concept? Kalau nak cari 3 unknown. Yes. Okay, equation, right? Kamu kena guna persamaan serentak. Okay, sistem persamaan. Okay, or simultaneous linear equation. What should we do if the question didn't give the Y over X? Question will give one, guys. Soalan akan bagi. Lihat kat sini. Soalan akan bagi info yang ni. Kalau tak, kamu tak boleh cari nilai. Okay, if the question never give you that information, kamu ada banyak unknown. So, banyak unknown kamu tak boleh selesaikan dalam Admaths. Okay, you must have only one unknown to solve the equation. Am I right? Setiap persamaan hanya boleh satu unknown. Baru kamu boleh selesaikan. Okay? That's the basic lah for modern maths kamu belajar. Okay? So now, what will be your first equation? Macam mana kamu nak bentuk persamaan pertama? Siapa tahu? Kamu guna info apa? What information? Okay, so kamu mula dari mana? Dari jadual atau dari graph? Which one? Do you start from this graph or you start from the table to form equation? Anyone? Cuba bagi idea. Okay? Yes, kamu boleh mula dari jadual. Okay, you can start from the table guys. Okay, so Y over X, kamu tahu negatif 6 kan? 2P plus K. So this is your first equation, persamaan pertama. Okay, second equation you can also write. Okay, second equation, you will get Q equal to 2 times negative 2 plus K. Okay, so Q is equal to K minus 4. So kamu dah ada dua persamaan, two equation. But now, you see these two equation, kamu ada tiga unknown. Am I right? Three unknown. So guys, macam mana kamu dapat selesaikan? Tak boleh kan? Okay, because you have three unknown. Three unknown we cannot solve. Tak boleh. Okay, so kamu kena cari nilai K dulu. If you find the K value, sangat mudah. Betul? So how to find the K value? Can anyone tell me? Macam mana kita dapat cari nilai K? Anyone? This is the first step. First step, kamu kena cari K. Find your K value. So anyone? What do we do here? Kita akan guna apa untuk cari nilai K? K equal to C. Bukan. Guys, yang ni persamaan kuadratik kan? K itu adalah nilai B. Betul? Sebab KX. KX tu nilai B. So kamu tak boleh rujuk pintasan Y. Faham tak? K is your B value, so you cannot see Y intercept. So you need to think of another method. Kena fikir cara lain. So what do you all think? Paksi symmetry. Okay, can? Boleh. But more easy method, satu kaedah lebih pantas, siapa tahu? So guys, this equation, right, is for the curve. Am I right? Dia adalah untuk lengkung. So guys, yes, always remember guys, when you have equation for curve, any points that you see on the curve, you can substitute inside the equation. Kamu boleh gantikan mana-mana titik atas lengkung tu dalam persamaan lengkung. Faham tak? So contoh, kamu boleh gantikan negatif 5, kosong. So X sama dengan negatif 5, Y sama dengan kosong. Okay, so you just substitute inside here lah. Okay, gantikan dalam X and Y. Then kamu boleh dapat nilai K. Faham tak? Okay, you just solve the equation for the K value. Okay, so negative 5 equal to 20 square plus K0. Okay, over here is a bit, sorry. I substitute wrongly. Sorry. Y sama dengan kosong. Okay, X equal to negative 5. Okay, now correct already. Okay, so then kamu boleh cari nilai K. Okay, it's very simple already. So when you solve the equation, you should get K equal to 10. Okay, so guys, now you tell me K equal to 10. So apa nilai Q kamu? What is your Q value? Berdasarkan persamaan ni, you can substitute. So what do you get? Yes, KQ equal to 6 lah. KQ sama dengan 6. And then, how about P? K sama dengan 10. So you substitute inside here. So P value dapat berapa? Anyone? Apa nilai P kamu dapat? What's your answer? Yes. K negative 8. Am I right? So this is your working. Okay, ini jalan kira dia. Okay guys, do you understand how to solve question 1? Boleh dapat? Okay, so total you have 5 marks. So make sure kamu tunjuk jalan kira dengan lengkap. Okay, show your complete working for 5 marks. Okay, alright. So now, question 2. Soalan 2 is about function. Form 4 chapter 1. So this one is your basic lah. Okay, this is, can anyone tell me, this kind of function, there is a specific name. Anyone know the name? Apa nama fungsi macam ni? There is one type of name. So anyone? Yang ni saya dapat dari soalan percubaan guys. Saya ambil seluruh soalan percubaan. Yes. Okay, we call this as modulus function. Am I right? Ataupun dalam BM, kamu boleh panggil dia sebagai fungsi mutlak lah. Okay, in English you can also call it as absolute value function. Okay, this is another word, absolute value. Okay, untuk BM fungsi mutlak. Okay, so basically all the values here must be positive. Okay, semua nilai kena positif. This is what you must understand here. Alright. Okay, so now they ask you to find the P and Q. Okay, so macam mana cari nilai P dan Q guys? Okay, very simple. You see the point over here? You can substitute. Kamu gantikan kat sini. Okay, so you get 19 equal to modulus 5P minus 4. Okay, So guys, when we have this kind of equation, how many possible answer for P do we have? Berapa nilai P kita ada? Kalau ada persamaan macam ni. Very good. Okay, remember guys, modulus function always have two answer. Dua jawapan selalunya. Okay, you must write two answer. Okay, so you need to split lah. So 5P minus 4, pecahkan modulus, positive, negative, 19. Okay, so you just solve lah. Okay, so you will get 5P equal to 23. So P equal to 23 over 5. Okay, first answer. Jawapan pertama. Second answer, you will get negative. Okay, you will get negative. Wait guys. Is there any mistake I made? Negative. Oh, sorry. Negative 19 plus 4. So you will get negative 3. So these are your two values for P. Okay, do you understand guys? Boleh dapat? Okay, so now you refer the graph guys. So kamu akan pilih nilai mana untuk nilai P. Which one is the correct answer? 23 over 5 or negative 3? Yes, okay, negative 3 lah. Because your P value is negative. Okay, that's why jawapan must be negative. Okay, this one you reject. Kamu kena tolak yang ni. Alright? Okay, so now Q value. Okay, so what do we call Q value? There is a specific name for this kind of point. Apa jenis? Apa nama bagi titik ni? Yes, very good. Okay, we call this as x-intercept or pintasan x dalam bian. Okay, so guys, how do we find x-intercept? Macam mana cari pintasan x biasanya? What is the assumption? Apa anggapan kita? Yes, very good. Okay, y equal to 0. Okay, so means that kamu gantikan mx equal to 0. So guys, you just solve the equation. So when you solve, you will get x equal to 4 over 5. Okay, so this is your answer lah. So this value is equal to Q. Okay guys, do you understand how to solve? Boleh dapat? So this is the answer for question number 2A. Okay, boleh ya? Alright, so next one, they ask you, state the domain. Okay, kamu kena nyatakan domain. So guys, when they talk about domain, what is the value are they referring to? May I know? Bila kamu nampak perkataan domain ni, dia merujuk kepada apa? Yes. Okay, always remember domain is X value, nilai X. Okay, they say the range is greater than 4. Julat lebih besar dari 4. So means that MX greater than 4. This is your equation. Alright, so you just need to substitute. Okay, gantikan fungsi dia sahaja. Okay, so you will get modulus 5x minus 4 greater than 4. So this is the equation. So now guys, modulus. Kamu boleh pecahkan modulus. Okay, you just break the modulus sign. So you will get positive, negative, 4. So first equation like this. Second equation, wait. Okay, so first equation basically is positive 4. So 5x minus 4 greater than 4. Or second equation, 5x minus 4. Okay guys, when negative, saya kena buat apa? Bila saya pecahkan ada negatif kan? So kalau saya bawa negatif ke sebelah kiri, yes, always remember, you must switch the symbol. Very good. Okay, remember this guys, kena tukar symbol. Okay, when you switch the negative sign. Okay, so they, wait guys, got another information here. Okay, so this one is the domain also. Okay, so they want you for the range greater than 4. All right, so you can solve. So x greater than 8 over 5, or this one x less than 0. Okay, so this is your answer lah. Ini jawapan kamu. Okay, but now you must see carefully. Kena lihat betul-betul. Okay, so they want you your range greater than 4. Okay, so domain, you must also give the answer in the form like this. Kena bagi jawapan macam ni untuk domain. Do you understand? So you need to know what is A value and also B value. Okay, now, since they say range greater than 4, right? This is 4. Am I right? Nilai ni 4. Your y-intercept. So x0, mx equal to modulus negative 4. So sama dengan 4 lah. So basically, they want you to tell the domain when the range is greater than this. Kamu nak julat lebih besar dari ni. So kamu kena bagi tahu domain. Okay, you must tell what is the domain. Okay, so now if you see the whole equation, logic guys, do we have any graph at this part if it's greater than 4? Adakah kita ada apa-apa graph kalau nilai dia lebih besar dari 4? Cuba lihat ke bahagian kanan dulu. Do we have any graph? Yes or no? Tell me. Don't have, right? Tak ada kan? The highest point is 4. Titik tertinggi adalah yang ni, 4. So means that kamu tak ada domain lah kalau julat tu lebih besar dari 4. If your range greater than 4, no point already. So means that you can only refer to this part. Hanya boleh lihat bahagian kiri saja. Okay? Do you understand? So basically your highest point is 0. Titik tertinggi kosong saja. Okay, then what is the other point? Apa titik lain untuk memulakan julat kamu? Okay, of course you start your range over here. Am I right? Okay, and that value is nilai P. So the P value just now you count is negative 3. So that's why the answer is negative 3 sampai kosong. Okay, do you understand guys how to get the answer? Okay, so basically, right, even if you don't solve the equation, right, kalau kamu tak mau selesaikan yang ni pun boleh. Okay, you can direct refer the graph. Kamu lihat graph, kamu dapat jawapan. Okay, because this is the region we want now. This is the question. Soalan dia suruh nak kawasan lebih dari Y sama dengan 4. Okay, so that's why negative 3 until 0. Okay, bahagian kanan tak ada graph, so tak akan ada julat. Okay, right hand side there's no graph, so no range. Alright. Okay, are you clear guys with question 2? Boleh faham seluruh soalan 2? Okay, Alright. So now we come to question 3. Okay, so question 3 is on trigo. Okay, this is your form 5 chapter 6 guys. Siapa tak suka bab ni? Comment. Who don't like this chapter? Trigo. A lot of people say hard, right? Susah kan? Okay, never mind. You see now, is it really hard or not? Betul ke dia susah? Okay, you see Okay, so this question is find sine square theta over 2. Okay, very complex. Okay, never mind. You start with this. Mula dengan info yang diberi. So guys, secant theta equal to 1 over h. So guys, what is the information you can get here? Apa informasi kamu boleh dapatkan dari sini? Siapa tahu? If secant theta equal to 1 over h, means that what can you get? What can you change in the equation? Yes. Okay, you will get cos theta equal to h lah. Okay, because cos theta equal to 1 over secant theta. So kamu dapat cos theta sama dengan h lah. Just the inverse. Dia adalah songsangan sahaja. Okay. So now you have this information already. So now they ask you to find this one. Kamu kena cari yang ni. Okay guys. So for cos theta, now it's time for you to use that formula. Kamu kena guna rumus yang kamu belajar. Okay, so if you still remember, cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Do you all still remember guys this formula? Masih ingat rumus ni? You must know this is for trigo, rumus trigo. Okay, so now the information yang kita ada cos theta sahaja. We only have cos theta, so you need to modify the formula. So guys, how to modify? Okay, you tell me the answer. What is the answer you get over here? Type out. Banyak orang akan confuse yang ni. So saya nak lihat kamu semua confuse ke tak bila modify rumus. Okay, so you all just try lah. Just type the answer. Wrong doesn't matter. Kalau salah tak apa. Asalkan kamu mencuba. You must try to modify. Okay, sama? Lagi orang? What's the answer? Try and see. Don't see your friend answer guys. Jangan lihat jawapan kawan. Saya tak kata lagi jawapan betul atau salah. I never say it's right or wrong yet. So you continue. Tell the answer. How can be cos 2 only guys? Sharon and Kevin. Is it you typo? Okay, sama. More people? Okay, never mind. Continue. Lagi orang. What is your answer on the right hand side? Okay, Afika. Kamu ada theta kan? Selepas sin kuasa 2 tu. Adakah itu yang kamu maksudkan? Okay, so majority I see correct. Okay, majority dapat jawapan betul. Okay guys, the answer is 1 minus 2 sine square theta over 2. Do you understand guys? Macam mana dapat jawapan? Okay, how to get it? 2 theta, 2 theta. So macam mana? Bahagi 2 kan? When you bahagi 2 left hand side, bahagi 2 right hand side. So that's why bahagi 2 kat sini. You must remember guys, if you modify angle, you modify angle only. Kalau kamu modify sudut, kamu hanya perlu modify sudut saja. Jangan pergi modify yang ni semua. Okay, don't change anything else. Only change the angle. Okay, so that's why your answer is like this one. Okay, so now you already get the answer lah. Okay, so H equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta over 2. So this is your equation guys. Ini persamaan baru. So now you just need to rearrange lah. Okay, susun persamaan untuk dapat jawapan yang ni. That's all. Okay, so when you do algebra, you will get this answer. Okay, so jawapan dia 1 minus H over 2. Understand guys? Boleh dapat? Are you clear? So guys, when you choose the formula, right, you must be smart. Kena pandai bila pilih rumus. Mengapa? So guys, tell me, cos theta, how many formula we have? May I know? Cos 2 theta. Berapa rumus yang kamu tahu? Yes, 3 kan? Okay, there is actually 3 formula. So guys, why we choose this one? Kenapa kena pilih rumus ni? Sebab, kamu lihat soalan lah. Okay, you want to express sine square theta over 2. Am I right? Kamu nak ungkapkan yang ni. So, pastinya kamu kena pilih rumus yang ada sine square theta lah. You must choose a formula with the term sine theta. You cannot choose a formula with the term cos theta. So, that's why saya pilih rumus yang ni. This one. Okay? Cikgu macam mana nak buat? Oh, algebra saja. Okay, kamu ada persamaan ni kan? So, kamu pindah. Okay? So, H tolak 1 bahagi negatif 2. Okay, so negatif 2 ni saya tak suka. So, saya darab seluruh persamaan dengan negatif. Okay, so saya akan dapat 1 bahagi H. Kena songsang. Okay, 1 bahagi H. 1 tolak H. 1 minus H over 2. So, ini jawapan dia lah. Faham tak? Macam mana dapat? So, kamu pindah saja. Algebra biasa. H tolak 1 bahagi negatif 2 sama dengan sine square theta bahagi 2. Okay. Alright guys, are you clear? Question 3A boleh? All of you? Okay ya? Alright. So next one. Okay, soalan 3B. Okay, so question 3B, you must solve trigo equation. Okay, so guys, can we solve an equation with cos 2x and also sin x? Yes or no? Adakah kita boleh selesaikan persamaan kalau dia gabung cos dengan sin? Okay, very good. Tak boleh kan? Okay, so you need to make sure your equation only has one term. Kena ada satu ungkapan sahaja persamaan. So you can choose. If you want sin x, semua kena sin x. If you want cos x, everything must be cos x. If you want tangent x, everything tangent x. Basically, we want quadratic equation. Usually, right, in trigo kita nak dapat persamaan kuadratik biasanya. Remember, this is our main aim. The last equation that we get after modify is quadratic. Selepas modify semua kena dapat yang ni. Okay? Alright. So guys, you tell me, you want to modify this one or this one? Nak modify cos atau modify sin? Which one? What do you modify? Okay, some more? The rest? What do you all think? Do we modify cos or sin? Yes. Okay, of course we will modify cos 2x. Okay, because cos 2x we have formula. Am I right? Cos 2x equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. So just substitute inside here. Gantikan saja. Okay, so you will have 3 plus 4, 1 minus 2 sine square x. So can you see guys? This is a quadratic equation already. So kamu kembangkanlah. Just expand and rearrange. Kamu akan dapat persamaan macam ni. Okay, this is your equation after rearranging. Okay, so now you just need to factorize. Okay, do the normal factorization. Okay, so you will get sin x equal to negative 7/8 and sin x equal to 1. Okay, so the factorization is something like this lah. Okay, they never show the step. Okay, but it's better kalau kamu tunjuk langkah yang ni juga. Okay, so that more accurate. Okay, so then you got 2 bracket sin x. Okay, so maybe this one 8, so 7 and then 1. Okay, so this is your factorization, guys. Do you understand macam mana faktorkan? So you can trial and error lah from this equation. Okay, so 8 sin square x minus 8 sin x plus 7 sin x, so minus sin x minus 7. So correct. Okay, so now guys, you have a lot of answers. Kamu ada banyak jawapan. So guys, over here negative, over here positive. So means that kamu kena consider keempat-empat sukuan. Okay, you need to see all the 4 quadrant for your answer. Okay, so first step, right, guys, in trigo, you must always find the reference angle. Remember this. Okay, selalu kena cari sudut rujukan. First thing. So reference angle is what, guys? Reference angle is an angle in quadrant 1. Okay, sudut pada sukuan pertama. Okay, so just press calculator untuk cari reference angle. Okay, guys, may I know, do we key in the negative sign when finding reference angle? Kita masuk tak simbol negatif tu bila cari sudut rujukan? Very good. Cannot. Okay, remember you can only take positive angle. So this one also buat benda sama, you will get, I think, 90 darjah. Okay, you should get 90 degrees. Okay, are you clear, guys? So these are your 2 reference angle. So now, okay, so that's why your first answer, jawapan pertama 90 degrees. Okay, so second, this one over here. Okay, so sign is negative in which quadrant? May I know? Yang ni kena ingat. Sign negative kat kuadran sukuan ke berapa? Yes. Okay, 3 and 4, right? So you put here like this. Okay, so this is your reference angle. So 61, 61. Okay, so first angle, kamu akan baca macam ni. And then second angle, you will read like this. Okay, understand, guys? Okay, so right angle. How to find right angle? 180 plus 61. Okay, so answer is 241. And then third angle, 360 minus 61, blue color. So answer is 298.56. Okay, boleh faham, guys? Macam mana buat? Are you clear? So just make sure you consider all the quadrant. Okay, kamu kena lihat semua sukuan bila lihat. Okay, can? Okay, so do you all understand question 3? Any problems with soalan 3? If any question, you guys must ask. Kalau ada soalan, jangan senyap. Tanya saja. Okay, so now question 4. So question 4 is on progression, janjang. Okay, so this one is both. Okay, they're testing both progression, arithmetic and also geometric. Okay, so now they ask you to find the first term for both progression. Okay, so this one, they say they have the same first term. Kedua-dua janjang ni ada sebutan pertama yang sama. Okay, so means that kamu cari satu cukup lah. Okay, just find one of the answer. Okay, because it's the same value. Okay, so they say same common difference, same common ratio. Beza sepunya dan nisbah sepunya semua sama. Okay, and then, okay, this is the important information. So T7 equal to 13. Sebutan ketujuh tu adalah 13 for arithmetic. Okay, so this one is AP. Okay, and then 11th term. Okay, T11 equal to Sn of the first term. Okay, so Sn. So this one is GP. This one is AP. Okay, so now how to find the A value? Macam mana cari nilai A? You can use this equation. Am I right? So this one is AP. So A plus N minus 1D equal to 13. Okay, A tak tahu, N 7, and then D equal to half. Okay, 1/2. Okay, so you can solve the equation. Am I right, guys? Boleh selesaikan dah. Okay, so your A value you should get 10. Are you clear? How to do 4A? Senang kan? Very straightforward. So kamu guna satu persamaan cukup. Just use one information. Okay? And then the second one, they ask you to find the value of n. So cari nilai n. So this one you have to use this equation lah. Alright. Okay, so now Sn. Kamu kena cari Sn dulu. Okay, so what is Sn? Sn is for geometric progression. And sekarang we know the common ratio. Okay, nisbah sepunya is half. Okay, so means that, okay, I use new page. Okay, so Sn formula A Rn minus 1 over R minus 1. Okay, can we use this formula, guys? May I know? Boleh tak kita guna rumus ni? Kalau R sama dengan setengah. Can we use this formula? R value is half now. Yes or no? Okay, very good. So you must know which formula to use. Kena tahu rumus mana untuk geometry, Sn. Okay, so you need to use this formula. Okay, because R value less than 1. Kurang dari 1. Okay, so you should get this one. Okay, so now gantikan sajalah. Okay, so n value is equal to, wait oh sorry, kita nak cari nilai n. Okay, so you leave it unknown. Okay, so A value sama dengan 10. Just now you found 1 minus R setengah n. Okay, and then 1 minus half. Okay, do you guys understand how I get this? Boleh kan? Okay, so now simplify. So you will get 20 and then 1 minus half n. That's all. Okay, so this is your final answer. Okay, so now Sn sama dengan T15. Okay, based on the equation just now. Okay, you have Sn equal to, T11. So you need to find T11. Okay, so T11 arithmetic. Okay, so you find T11 over here. So you can use A plus n minus 1D. So T11 equal to, wait guys, did we get the answer di sana? Did they tell 15? Wait guys, let me see. Okay, 11th term arithmetic equal to Sn geometric. Oh, okay. I think I get it. Okay, so this one, right? You can simplify this one first. This one over here. Or you can find T11 also can. Kalau kamu nak cari T11 pun boleh. Okay, so T11 you can find out. A plus N minus 1 D. So this value is actually 15. You count T11 first. Okay, then T11 sama dengan Sn berdasarkan soalan. Okay, question tell you this information. Okay, so you can equal both answer. So 20, 1 minus half, n equal to 15. Okay, so now algebra. So you will get 1 minus half n equal to, okay, 3 over 4. Selepas pemudahkan. So you will actually have half n equal to 1 over 4. Okay, boleh faham guys? So what is my n value guys? Apa nilai n kat sini? Tell me. Yes. Okay, n value equal to 2 lah. Habis. Okay, do you understand how to solve the question? Boleh guys? So basically you just follow step by step. Ikut langkah, ikut flow saja. Okay, ikut flow. So the answer is n equal to 2. Okay, are you clear guys? So this is the working step. Okay, Ken? Soalan keempat semua faham? All of you understand? Okay, Alright. So next one, question 5. So question 5 is on your Form 4, Chapter 4. Indices, surd, log. Okay, who don't like this chapter? Tell me. Siapa tak suka bab ni? And maths. Indices, surd dan log. Okay, this chapter is very important guys. Because this chapter punya knowledge you can apply to other chapter also. Kamu boleh aplikasikan. So make sure you must master all the indices, surd and log. Semua kena kuasai. Okay, so this one, they ask you to show it can be written in this format. Okay, so you must simplify. Okay, so guys, when you see these two number over here, what base do you want to change to? Kamu nak tukar kepada asas apa? Soalan ni. Yes. Asas 3 kan? Base 3. Okay, because 27 and 3, the common base is base 3. Okay, itu adalah asas yang sempurna. Okay, so 27 you can change to 3 power 3, correct? Okay, so you will get 3 power 3y plus 3 plus 3 power 3y. Okay, so now, what can we factorize out, guys? Kita boleh faktorkan apa kat sini? Yes? More complete? Kamu boleh faktorkan lagi 3 kuasa apa? Very good. Okay, you can factorize out 3 power 3y. So you left inside 3 power 3 plus let me see, plus 1 lah. Okay, tambah 1. Okay, so this is your answer. So 3 power 3y and then you have 28. Okay guys, can you see? Does it follow the format, guys? Adakah dia patuhi format dia? Okay, I think it's follow already lah. Okay, so actually 3 power 3 you can write as 27. Okay, so your answer actually is 28, 27 power y. Okay, this one is 27 and then power y. So then kamu dah dapat lah. Okay, so what is your A value, guys? May I know? Nilai A berapa? Cuba bandingkan. What is your A answer? They ask you to find the value. Cari nilai A dan B. Yes. Okay, your A value is equal to 28. B value? Nilai B? Yes. Okay, 27. Okay, you already show. Kamu dah buktikan. Senang tak, guys? Easy, right? Siapa kata bab ni susah? Who said this chapter so hard? It's very easy one lah, guys. As long as you remember the laws, hukum, senang sahaja kalau ingat. Okay, it's very simple to show. Okay, only 2 marks, 2 markah. So this is the answer. Okay. Alright. So now, next one is log. Okay, so you need to solve the equation. Okay, guys. So left hand side, right hand side. Which one you want to modify? Kamu nak modify apa dulu? Kamu lihat seluruh persamaan. So which one you want to modify? So remember, guys, indices and log, our aim is always the same. Matlamat kita selalu sama, nak asas yang sama. Okay, we always want the same base for indices and also log. So guys, kamu lihat kat sini. Apa asas yang kamu nak tukar kat sini? Which one do you want to change? Yes, of course, you will modify the right side. So can you see? Square root P. We don't want square root P. We want P. Kita nak asas P. Okay, so this one we have to use the law. Log AB equal to log. Kamu tambah asas baru. Add new base. So this is the law. Am I right? So kamu akan guna hukum yang ni lah. Okay, over here. So you just change the base. So log P 5 plus x square equal to log P 3 minus x over log P square root P. Okay guys, do you understand how to get it? Boleh faham? So guys, may I know this one over here, what is the answer? Apa jawapan yang bawah ni? Terus bagi tahu nilai. Very good. Okay, if you are very pro in log, kamu boleh terus bagi tahu jawapan lah. Okay, it's half. Very simple. Okay, because square root P is P power half. So half turun bawah, half log PP, log PP 1. So that's why nilai dia setengah sajalah. Okay, it's only half. So then you can times both side by half. Okay, kamu boleh kali setengah. Or you can also write like this. Log P 5 plus x square. Okay, half you can write as 2 over here. Okay, sebab bahagi setengah. So 2 log P 3 minus x. So this is your latest equation. Okay, so now the number 2 you can bring on top so that it becomes a power. Okay, just put it over here. So then direct compare. 5 plus x square equal to 3 minus x square. So kamu selesaikan kuadratik. Okay, so this is the equation and you just solve for the x value. Okay, so guys, may I know, can x equal to negative value? Yes or no? Nilai x kat sini boleh negatif tak? Tell me. Let's say I get negative answer. Is it possible? for X value if negative? Yes or no? Anyone? Boleh tak? Kalau saya terima nilai negatif. Anyone? Okay, very good. Remember, log tak boleh ada negatif. Okay, example log 5 negative 3. You won't get answer. Tak ada jawapan. Okay, so always remember the nilai must be positive. Okay, so confirm X value must be positive lah if you want the answer to be positive. Okay, boleh dapat guys? Are you clear? So just make sure you check and see. Macam mana check? You just substitute nilai X in your original equation. Kamu gantikan kat sini. Okay, then you will know whether your answer is correct or wrong. Okay, or you can substitute dalam equation yang kamu modify. Okay, this equation over here. This one is the original one. So you can substitute here also. Yang ni pun boleh. Okay, if you sub over here. Or you can also substitute over here. Gantikan kat sini. Okay, tengok whether it satisfy or not. Okay, are you clear guys? Boleh dapat seluruh soalan ni? Can? Okay ya. So boleh pergi lagi? Can Alright. So now we come to question 6. Okay, so for question 6 is talking about search. This topic is about search. So you can see right guys, sometimes right at maths, satu bab, dua soalan, kertas sama. Can happen one. Okay, although it's one chapter, they can come out 2 questions in the same paper. Okay, so don't think every single question is different topic. No. Okay, sometimes they can overlap. Dia boleh ada keluar 2 soalan dari bab sama. Okay, but usually maximum is only 2 lah. They won't give more questions same chapter for paper 1. Okay, alright. So now first question, you need to convert to fraction. Okay, keyword guys, tanpa menggunakan kaedah janjang, without using progression method. So guys, how do I do this? Macam mana buat yang ni? Okay, a lot of people actually don't know how to do this. Banyak orang tak tahu jawab soalan macam ni. So anyone? What is your first step? Can you tell me? Apa langkah pertama yang kamu buat? Come on guys, tell me your method. What is the first step? Anyone? Hello? Nope, not times 100. Guys, the most important step here, right? You must see what is your recurring decimals. Kamu kena nampak kat mana titik perpuluhan tu berulang. So guys, mana dia berulang? Kat sini kan? Yes. So you need to times 1000 lah. 1, 2, 3. 3 kali. So means 1000 lah. Sebab 1000 baru ada 3 sifar. If you put 100, only got 2 zero. Tak cukup. Okay, so means if you times 1000, okay, so first step, kamu boleh katakan lah. X equal to 0.168, and then 1000x. 1000x equal to 168.168. Do you understand this step? Okay, so why I do like this? Mengapa kena buat macam ni? Because I'm using the simultaneous equation. Okay, konsep persamaan serentak. So this is first equation, this is second equation. So I take 2 minus 1. 2 tolak 1. So the answer is 999x equal to, okay, press calculator. So you should get 168 lah. Okay, this is your answer. So x equal to 168 over 999. Okay guys, do you understand how to get the answer? That's all. Itu saja jawapan kamu. Very short, sangat cepat boleh dapat. So just remember the idea. Kena ingat langkah dia, konsep. Okay? So if you are not sure on your answer, right? There is actually a trick method. Ada kaedah pintas. You know what you do lah? You got calculator, right guys? I think most of you also got used this method. This is actually work smart. Buat secara bijak. Kamu spam sahaja nombor ni dalam kalkulator kamu. Jawapan akan keluar. If you don't trust me, you try to do 0.168, 168. Tekan saja 168 banyak kali. Kamu akan tengok. Lepas tu tekan equals, shift fraction. Boleh nampak tak guys? Ada jawapan. There is an answer. Do you see it? Tadi saya tak simplify lagi lah jawapan tu. Okay, so after you simplify, you will get the answer. This is a trick method, guys. Kalau kamu bijak, kamu akan buat macam ni untuk cek jawapan. Understand guys? Kamu spam sahaja nombor 168. Boleh lihat? I type 168 many times. If I don't simplify, will it still count? Better to simplify. And maths always give your answer in the simplest form. Bagi jawapan dalam bentuk termudah. LMATS. Okay? Yes. That one is last minute guys. Last minute option. Let's say kalau kamu tak tahu macam mana nak selesaikan soalan ni. You don't know how to do. At least if you have the answer, you can think of a method. Am I right? Kalau ada jawapan depan kamu, kamu boleh fikir macam mana saya boleh dapat jawapan ni dari sini. Betul kan? This is last minute. Let's say kamu forget kaedah tadi. Faham tak guys? Do you understand? Tapi jangan bila lihat soalan saja kamu guna method ni, jangan. This is last minute. Last minute method. Okay? So better you memorize the original method. Faham kaedah asal. Okay? Because that is the one that is the, what to say? The correct concept. Konsep betul. Yang ni pun betul, tapi cuma dia macam apa nak kata, dia tak menunjukkan proses macam mana dapat jawapan. Faham tak? This calculator method, you don't show what is the process you take to get the answer. You just get the answer. Shift then. Oh, no, you just shift and then ABC. Can you see ABC here? Calculator. ABC is to convert to fraction. Pecahan. 100x tak boleh. Sebab kamu akan dapat jawapan berlainan. Okay, because example is like, okay, I give you an example. Let's say your number is like this. Katakan soalan macam ni. Then 100x. Okay, sebab kamu nampak dua saja. Two places. So that's why we choose 100x. It repeat at the second digit. Dia berulang pada digit yang kedua. Selepas tempat perpuluhan. Faham tak? If the question is 0.0455. Oh, like this. I think usually the question won't ask like that one. Because it doesn't show a clear pattern. You have 045 and then 454545. It will be straight to the point like this. Okay? Because always you can always times 100 or times 1000. You must be able to times by this. Okay? So that situation, let me check and see. Is there any fraction like that or not? Saya pun kena cari guna calculator. Okay, let's see. Okay, got. There is a fraction also. The answer is 1/22 in the calculator. Okay, so you have fraction for that number also. So I think can find lah. Oh, the question from Kelantan paper 2. Later I see lah. Maybe they will times by 1000, I think. I think it's times 1000, if not mistaken. Because if times 100, tak cukup. Okay. Later I check and see also. Okay. So we see question B, guys. Soalan B. Okay. So for question B, they ask you to give your answer in this format. Okay. This one very simple, guys. So you just need to factorize out X and then shift to the right hand side. Okay. Pindah ke sebelah kanan. So over here, you must use what, guys? May I know? Kena guna konsep apa? Kat sini. You have your answer like this. Can I leave my answer like this? Boleh tinggal macam ni? Yes or no? Always remember, guys, at maths, you cannot have cert at denominator. Kalau ada cert kat denominator, salah. Must use conjugate. Okay, so cert 12 plus cert 5. Okay, plus is conjugate. Okay, understand, guys? So kamu kembangkan sajalah. Just expand bottom and top. Okay, then kamu akan dapat answer like this. Okay, so your answer will get P equal to 6, Q equal to 30. Okay, senang kan? Very straightforward, right? Should be okay lah. If your basic in AdMath strong, all this kind of question is very simple. Sangat mudah. Okay, so now, question 7. Okay, so question 7 is about SOT. Okay, so a bit surprising, penyelesaian segitiga pun boleh keluar kertas 1. Okay, doesn't mean only paper 2 section C. Okay, so guys, this one, they ask you to find the length of both sides. So kamu kena cari nilai X dulu lah. Okay, if you find the X, you can find the length. Okay, so this one, what is the formula, guys? We use apa rumus dia? Soalan ni. So they're talking about area of land, luas tanah. So apa rumus dia? Very good. Okay, we will use 1 over 2 AB sine C. Very good. Okay, so just equal 1700. Okay, then you just substitute all the information inside. Okay, so you will get this equation. Okay, ini adalah persamaan dia. So then you start to expand. Okay, quadratic. So you will get this pattern. This answer is actually 0.5. Okay, so this one you can write as setengah lah. Okay, sine 30 is just half. Okay, so half times half, 1 over 4. 1/4. So 1/4, you can bring it over here. So times 4, darab 4. So your answer here will get 6800. Okay, wait, let me check and see. Yeah, correct. Okay, guys. So this is your equation lah. Ini persamaan kamu. So now you just need to rearrange in quadratic. Okay, so over here you cannot factorize. Kamu tak boleh faktorkan persamaan kuadratik. So you need to use the quadratic formula. Okay? So guys, x value here. Can x value get negative? Yes or no? Nilai negatif boleh tak untuk x over here? Yes or no? Now we are talking about the length. Okay, very good. Remember guys, length is always positive. Okay, panjang kena positive. So that's why your x value must also be positive. Okay, so now you just need to substitute nilai x over here, 5x minus 20, and also over here, 2x plus 10. Okay, then you just press calculator, dapat jawapan. That's all. Understand? So you get 5 marks, 5 markah. Okay, so over here, the important point is, you must give your answer as integer, guys. You all understand, right? Apa maksud integer? What's the meaning of an integer, guys? May I know? So I give you answer. Example, 5.56. Is this integer? Yes or no? Kalau nombor macam tu? Okay, very good. Remember, integer is always whole number. Nombor bulat sahaja. Okay, that's why you can see the answer is whole number. Okay, kena nombor bulat. Decimal, round off. Bundakan sahaja. Okay? Alright. So now, are you clear? Question 7, okay? Dah habis lah soalan 7. Okay, so now we come to question 8. Okay, so question 8 is about integration, pengamilan. Okay, this question is very famous nowadays. They'll give you a pasu and ask you to find the volume. Very famous. Okay, dia suka sangat. Okay, so now, the most important thing here is, first step, you must find the A value. Okay, because bila kamu ada nilai A, then only you can find the volume. Okay, so how do we find the A value? Can anyone tell me? Macam mana cari nilai A? This is an important question. So basically, you must try to substitute X value and Y value. Okay, so where is the axis now? Kat mana saya nak letak paksi saya? Okay, this is an important thing. So anyone? Where to put it? Think and see. Where should I put my axis of symmetry? Anyone? Nak letak paksi kat mana? Atas? Macam ni? Ataupun bawah? Macam ni? Which one? Which one is correct? First one? Second one? Middle lah. No. You must do like number 1. Correct. Yes, the answer is number 1, guys. Kamu kena letak kat sini paksi kamu. X, Y. Understand? Then only you can see the curve. Can you see it? Now you see the quadratic curve, right? Inilah persamaan kuadratik lah. Cannot second. Kalau kamu lukis second, curve tu akan ke atas. Okay, it will be above. So let's say second. Let me see. If I put second, dia nampak pelik sikit lah. Okay, it's a bit weird. Can you see? Dia pelik sikit. Okay, sebab kamu tak boleh nampak punca kamu. Dia macam sambung saja ke paksi X. Okay, so that's why cannot. The better answer is this one. Okay, are you clear, guys? Okay, so now nilai X. What is the X value you guys gonna substitute? Can you tell me? Anyone? What is the X value? Okay. If you say 16, right? May I know what is your Y value that you substitute? Apa nilai Y kamu? Let's say you substitute 16. Kosong Guys, if you substitute kosong, nilai A juga akan kosong. Sebab kamu kena guna persamaan ni. So logic tak nilai A kosong. No, right? Okay, A value cannot be 0. Kalau A tu kosong, mana kamu ada persamaan kuadratik? Tak ada. So at least A value kena 1. 12. X value, you know. Sekarang saya tanya nilai X. What is the X value? You substitute. 12 ni nilai Y sebab menegak. Vertical is Y value. Horizontal is X value. So guys, the most important point here is you can substitute the axis of symmetry. Do you understand? Kamu boleh gantikan persamaan paksi simetri. So what is the value here, guys? Can anyone tell me? Axis of symmetry. Yes, 8, right? You take 16 bahagi 2. So this is 8. This is 16. This is 0. So means that X sama dengan 8. Okay? So what is your Y value? Can anyone tell me? Apa nilai Y yang kamu gantikan? No. Guys, careful lah. You must see the same point at the bottom. Kamu kena lihat titik yang sama ke bawah. Okay, so you see over here. Means that you must tell what is this value. Faham tak? 12 Okay. Partially correct. Okay, 12 is partially correct. Okay, but not fully correct. Bukan 100% betul. Okay. So can anyone tell me why? 12 is almost correct, but not 100% correct. How can be 0, guys? Guys, you see the point carefully. It cannot be 0, 1. Tak boleh kosong. 1/12. No, not 1/12. Okay, guys, hold on. You see this one first. Okay, I draw for you again. Okay, this whole length 16, right? So this length how much? May I know? Kiri dan kanan. What is the length here? Do we need to divide 2 like X? No need. This one, you know, this value, guys. I want this value first, slowly. You do one by one. Yes, 4, right? Correct. Okay, so this value is 4. This value is also 4. Okay, so now, if you see the 12, 4. Okay, this is also 4. Means this one, okay, correct lah. Negative 12. Okay, that one betul. Okay, tapi your X value, right? Okay, just now I said X value is 8, right? Okay, that one, let me think. If X value 8, 64A minus 16A. Okay, so guys, your X value, right? X value cannot say as 8. X nilai dia tak boleh 8 saja. Okay, why? Because you have an extra 4 over here. Do you see, guys? You have an extra 4. So means that the 16, 16 kat sini, dia termasuk nilai 4. Faham tak? Okay, so this value here is 12. Am I right? So means that the 4 at the side, kat tepi tu, 4 tu kena tolak. You must minus. Okay, because the 4 is not including the equation of the curve. Am I right? 4 kat sini tak termasuk lengkung kan? So 4 tu kat tepi. Dia tak sentuh lengkung. It never touch your curve. Do you understand, guys? So means that your X value, right? You must actually substitute 8 minus 4. Because I want this length only. Saya nak panjang yang ni saja. Do you get me? So you need to minus this 4 over here. Kena tolak 4 yang ni. 4 yang ni. Faham tak? Do you understand? Means that you start measuring over here. Kamu kena ukur yang ni saja. Yang ni total 8. So baki yang ni 4 saja. Faham tak? So remember, guys, the X value and Y value that you substitute is actually the length. Panjang. Okay, can you see? cm. So you need to actually look carefully on the empty space. kena lihat ruang kosong. Okay, can? So you will get x equal to 4, y equal to 12. Okay, negative sign kamu tak payah letak because we are talking about length, panjang. So panjang tak boleh negative. Okay, so you just substitute 12 equal to a4 square. So when you solve, you will get a equal to 1 over 4. Okay, no. You must do like this. Okay, you will get 16a plus 12 equal to 64a. Okay, so you solve for a value. Cari nilai a. Okay, so you will get 1 over 4, if not mistaken. 1/4. Let me check and see. 64, yeah, correct. Okay, you will get a equal to 1 over 4. 1/4. Okay, so now you already have the equation of the curve. Okay, so you have y equal to 1 over 4 x squared. Okay, so now guys, when you find the volume, do you integrate towards y-axis or x-axis? Kamu kami terhadap paksi x atau paksi y when you finding the volume? Isi padu. Can anyone tell? Where do you integrate? X. Okay, Samo, what do you say? X or y? Okay, so got mixed answer. So the answer is actually y. Jawapan dia kamu kena kami terhadap paksi y. Okay, why you choose y-axis? Okay, actually both also can lah. Dua-dua pun boleh. But you just trying to see which one is easier. Mana lebih senang. Okay, so if you see your curve, macam mana dapat 6a? Oh, this one you actually get from your equation of curve. Okay, you substitute x equal to 8. So you get y equal to a, 8 square. So this one is 64a. Then just now I say you must substitute 4. Am I right? Because the ruang kosong. So this one you get 16a. So basically you're taking 64a minus 16a equal to y value. So you can shift this here. 64a minus 16a. Understand? So total minus ruang kosong. Okay? All right. So now, okay, so for my choice, I will integrate towards y-axis. Saya kamikan terhadap paksi y. Okay, so just now your axis, something like this. Okay, so the limits, guys, kamu akan gunakan apa kat sini? Can anyone tell me? What is the limits you guys use when you find the volume? Okay, so you can say 12 and 0. Am I right? Okay, because y-axis, 12 and 0. Okay, let's say you choose x-axis. Kamu pilih untuk kami terhadap paksi x. Okay, so for paksi x, your limit, okay, paksi x, your limit, you will use 4 until 16. Okay, 4 sampai 16. Okay, you need to kamikan macam tu. Okay, because now you are finding the volume of the whole thing. Okay, seluruh isi padu bunga. Okay, so you can do like this. Okay, if you choose x-axis, actually this one should be dx guys. Yang ni kena tukar simbol. It should be dx. Okay, because kalau y must be dx. Okay, so if you choose towards x-axis, y square. Okay, rumus kamu macam ni. AB y square dx. So means that kamu kena gantikan y lah. You must substitute. Sorry. You need to substitute the x if you integrate towards x-axis. Okay, if y-axis, kamu boleh kamikan macam ni lah. Pi integrate AB x square dy. Okay, so from here, x square equal to 4y. So you will get 4y lah over here. Okay, so pi BA 4y dy. Okay, so this one, the limits, right? I rasa limit dia letak salah kot dalam skema ni. Okay, because y-axis limit dia adalah 12 dan kosong, right? 12 and 0. So you should actually have pi 0, 12. Okay, 4y dy. Then kamu buat pengambilan. Okay, the limit over here they use is for the x-axis, paksi x. Okay, so you cannot use this limit over here. Okay, do you understand guys how to solve the question? Boleh? Do you get it? So this is the concept. Okay, so kamu boleh pilih dua-dua. You can choose both method also. X-axis or Y-axis also can. No problem. Alright? Are you clear guys? How to do? Comment. Clear tak? Boleh tak? Are you clear? Yes or no? So silent you guys. Kamu semua sangat senyap. Faham tak? Okay ya? If you guys don't respond, I assume you okay ya. Kalau tak ada apa-apa soalan, I continue only. Okay? So question 9 Okay, so soalan 9. They ask you to find modulus, negative OQ. Okay, so modulus mean magnitude. Negative OQ maksudnya negative Q lah. Okay, because OQ sama dengan Q. So kamu kena cari magnitude for this one. So 4, 3. So this one you can use Pythagoras theorem. So just square root 4 square plus 3 square. So jawapan dia adalah 5. Okay, very simple. This one dapat. Okay, next one. Soalan B, they ask you to express RQ in term of Q and R. Okay, so this one, you have to find the combination. Okay, yang ni pun senang. So RQ equal to RO plus OQ. Okay, so RO sama dengan negative R. Okay, and then OQ sama dengan Q. So this is our answer lah guys. Ini jawapan dia. Okay, so this is your answer. Understand guys? Soalan ni memang senang. Nak score 4 markah. Very straightforward. Okay? Are you clear guys? This question okay Alright, so question 10. Soalan ke-10. Okay, this question. Okay, this question is on permutation and combination. Form 5 chapter 4. Siapa tak suka bab ni? Pilih atur dan gabungan. Okay, focus If you guys not good in this chapter, focus how to solve the question. Especially kalau kamu tak boleh bayangkan. Okay, you need to know how to imagine. Okay, so first question. If you see first question, guys, permutation or combination? Can you tell me? Saya akan ajar lah, walaupun bab ni susah, saya mau kamu semua cuba. At least try your best to understand. Okay, cuba 100% faham. So anyone? Soalan pertama ni pilih atur atau gabungan? Untuk yang belajar. For those that learn. Permutation, right? Yes. Okay, because they asking you, let me see. Okay, because soalan kat bawah combination kan. So biasanya soalan kat atas will be permutation. Usually they will gabung two subtopic in one question. So kalau bawah gabungan, atas pilih atur. Is something like that. Okay, so that's why the top question is permutation. Alright. Okay, so now they ask you even number, nombor genap. Okay, kamu kena guna semua nombor ni, and then other than 2, selain 2, muncul tepat 2 kali. Okay, so now you must think and see what is the concept over here. Okay, so now you want to form even number 2, 5, 7, 9. Okay, so which one? How do you form even number? First question. Macam mana kamu nak dapat nombor genap? So nombor genap means the end number, nombor ke akhir tu mestilah nombor yang genap. Betul? Yes, final digit must be even. Okay, so basically you have, let me see, 2, 5, 7, 9 with all the number other than 2. Okay, means that 5, 7, 9. Semua nombor ni dia boleh datang 2 kali. Setiap satu boleh datang 2 kali, guys. You must understand. So guys, whenever they tell like this is called as identical object. Objek serupa. So you must take this in your mind. Okay? So means that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kamu ada 7 tempat. Okay? Because all the other number appear 6 times. Only digit 2 appear 1 time. So total 7. Am I right? Okay, so all of these 2, 4, 6. So all of these 6 factorial. Betul? Okay, because you can arrange all of these randomly. Boleh susun secara lawak. So 6 factorial and then identical object. Objek yang serupa. So kamu kena bahagi dengan 2 factorial. 3 kali. Do you understand? So this is your answer lah guys. Ini jawapan kamu. That's all. Okay, so your answer is 90. Boleh faham soalan ni? Clear? How to do it? Senang kan? Okay, one more thing, right? Digit yang terakhir ni, kamu kena letak juga 1 factorial. This one. So you can write 1 factorial. Walaupun nilai dia sama, tapi ia adalah sebahagian daripada jalan kira. Okay, it is part of your working step. So you must write. Oh, factorial is basically when you are arranging something randomly. Kamu susun dia secara lawak. So kamu guna factorial. Understand? So it's basically come from the NPR lah, NPR formula. N factorial over N minus R factorial. So factorial is susun secara lawak. Alright? Okay. So next question. So for question B. Okay, this question is easy also. So they ask you to find the value of 5C3. So guys, without using calculator, tanpa guna calculator. So kalau tanpa guna calculator, kena tunjuk jalan kira. Okay, you must show working step. So guys, remember the formula. NCR equal to N factorial over R factorial N minus R factorial. Okay, so gantikan saja one by one. Okay, so you will get like this. Okay, so you need to simplify now. So when simplify, you will get 5 factorial over 3 factorial, 2 factorial. Okay, now guys, apa kamu nak buat? What should you do now? Okay, you need to expand lah. So factorial maksudnya 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And then bottom 3 times 2 times 2. So now you can cut lah. Potong atas bawah. Okay, so now you left with 5 times 4 times 1 over 2. Okay, so what is the answer guys? Apa jawapan dia? You should get 10. So answer dia 10 lah. Okay guys, boleh faham macam mana dapat jawapan? Are you clear? So make sure you must show all the working step. Kena tunjuk semua langkah. Okay, for question 10B1. Okay? Understand now guys? Faham tak? Macam mana saya buat? Boleh komen tak? Kamu semua senyap saja? Understand guys? Hopefully you understand. Okay, so next one. They ask you to find the number of different way. Okay, to form triangle. Okay, this one is interesting. Soalan ni menarik. They ask you to form triangle. Okay, and they say must be connected to point 3. Kamu kena sambung pada titik 3. Okay, so this is the restriction, halangan. Okay, so now you think and see lah guys. Triangle. So how can I form triangle? May I know? Okay, so must connect to point 3. So maybe I can form like this. Okay, I can form like this. Okay, so this is the possibilities lah. Okay, so now first step. Let's say I want 1 vertices on top, 2 vertices down. Okay, triangle you can have 2 ways, right guys? Kamu boleh lukis segitiga 2 cara. Okay, so now I'm talking the first method over here. First method, second method. Faham tak? So I want to do the first method now. Kaedah yang pertama. Okay, so I start with number 3 and then saya kena connect dengan 2 titik. Betul? I need to choose 2 point at the bottom. So guys, kamu ada 6 titik ke bawah. So you can take 6C2. Am I right? Okay, total 6, pilih 2. Okay, because triangle got 2 vertices, 2 vertex ke bawah. So 6C2. Okay, on top, ke atas kamu 1 sajalah. So 1C1. This is a fixed point. Titik yang fix selalu kita guna 1C1. Maksudnya nilai dia 1 sajalah. It's only one way. 1 cara untuk yang atas. Okay? Do you understand this guys? This one I must go step by step. Then only you can understand. So faham tak? Yang ni. Okay? Can or not? How I explain? Boleh tak guys? Faham Okay, so second step. Kaedah kedua. Okay, so second step, kamu nak terbalikkan segitiga. Okay, so when you terbalikkan, kamu nak 2 atas dan 1 bawah. Betul? Okay, 2 on top, 1 bottom. Okay, so means that maybe like this. Okay, kamu boleh buat macam ni. Okay, so means that On top, kamu kena ada 4 C2. Okay, 4 titik, choose 2. Okay, because kamu nak 2. Okay, and then bawah 6 C1. Okay, only choose 1 point at the bottom. Are you clear, guys? Boleh dapat? So this, wait guys. Did I do something wrong? Oh, sorry. Tak boleh buat macam ni. Okay, just now, right? Because they say can only connect to point 3. Dia boleh sambung dengan titik 3 saja. So, kamu kena ada 1C1 dulu. Okay, then, remainder 3 titik on top. Baki 3 titik. 1, 2, 4. So, 3C1. Kamu pilih 1. Okay, sebab 1 yang ke sini, 1 kat sini. So, that's why 1, 1 atas. And then bawah, 6C1. Because 1 saja ke bawah. Only 1 point. Total 6 point. Okay, so that's why working dia macam ni. Okay, do you understand, guys? Yes or no? So then you just plus lah, tambah 2. Okay, then you will get the answer. Okay, are you clear, guys? Soalan 10 dah habis lah. Soalan 10. Okay, can so far? So we proceed question 11. Nak habis dah. Okay, soalan 11. Okay, so for this one, you have to show this formula. Kamu nak buktikan rumus ni, guys. So how? How am I going to show this formula? So you must think. So anyone? Do you all know how to prove this? You must use the idea of limits. Kena guna idea hard. So siapa tahu? Macam mana buktikan yang ni? 3 marks. Have you all seen this question? Yes or no? Pernah nampak tak soalan macam ni? Comment a bit. Have you seen? Tak pernah nampak. Okay, so now is the time for you to learn. Kena tahu macam mana buktikan yang ni. Okay, so basically, semua huruf D, kamu tukar kepada delta. That is your first step. Langkah pertama. Second step, you add limit. X pergi kosong. Delta X. Okay, very straightforward. Third step, kamu tulis balik apa soalan nak. That's all. Kamu boleh dapat 3 markah. 3 marks. Do you understand? Senang kan? Okay, first step, D tukar delta. Second, tambah limit. Semua ungkapan ada limit. Third step, terus answer. Understand? Are you clear on it, guys? Boleh dapat? Yes or no? Senang kan? Very simple, right? Itu saja. 11A. Okay, so now 11B. They ask you to find dy over dx. Okay, so means that kamu kena bezakan lah dulu. Okay, so dy over dt equal to 10t plus 2. Okay, dx over dt equal to negative 2. Okay, so how to find dy dx? Senang lah. Chain rule. So dy over dx equal to dy over dt times dt over dx. dy over dt times dt over dx. Okay, but then kamu kena lihat soalan dia nak dalam sebutan x. Okay, they want your answer in term of x. Okay, so means that kamu kena tukar sikit. Okay, you must change a bit. Okay, so actually this one, right? Kamu boleh mula ungkapkan dulu. T dalam sebutan x. Okay, you express t in term of x. So you will get this answer. Okay, so this answer, you substitute inside here. Ini pun kaedah. Boleh. You can use this step. Okay, so you just substitute the t with x. So 5, 1 minus x over 2 square. And then plus 2, 1 minus x over 2. Okay, guys? Do you understand? Boleh faham? So then, expand lah. Yang ni potong. And then you expand this one. So 1 minus 2x plus x square over 4 plus 1 minus x. Okay? Boleh, guys? Then you just differentiate lah this equation. Okay, bezakan yang ni saja. Then you will get the answer. Okay? So this is the working step. Ini jalan kira dia. Faham? Boleh dapat? Or the second step is, kamu buat macam ni kan tadi. So you cari dy dx dulu. Okay, so dy dx equal to dy over dt times dt over dx. So dt over dx adalah 1 over 1 per negatif 2. So your answer is 10t plus 2 over negatif 2. So t kamu ganti dengan yang ni dalam x. So kamu ganti t ni dengan 1 tolak x over 2. Then kamu akan dapat jawapan yang ni. Okay? Are you clear guys? This question 11, I need some response. Saya perlu response, faham tak? You guys so silent lah. Kamu semua fokus sangat ke ataupun macam blur? Ada dua situasi saja. Fokus sangat or blur? Hopefully kamu semua fokus sangat lah. Okay? Sleepy ya? Kenapa macam ni? SPM tak boleh macam ni. Okay, must focus guys. Okay, so now 12 dah. Nak habis dah. Okay, so now question 12. They ask you to express P in term of M. Okay, so how to do this? Okay, this one is binomial. Okay, so P in term of M. So kamu kena pilih lah satu informasi. So of course kamu akan pilih dengan yang M. Okay, so X equal to 4. So Px equal to 4 equal to M. Okay, so then you use the formula 4C4 and CL P. P power R. So P power 4 Q power N minus R equal M. So this one is 1, this one is 1. So P power 4 equal M. So P sama dengan M punca kuasa 4. Okay, fourth root. Understand? So kamu dah buat soalan. Okay, are you clear guys? So make sure you choose the correct probability. Kena pilih kebarangkalian yang betul. Okay, of course kalau soalan tanya dalam sebutan M, kamu kena lihat yang ni lah. You must choose the one with probability M. Okay? Alright. So now, yang kedua, Px greater than or equal to 1. So X equal to 1 plus X equal to 2 plus 3. Okay, so guys, kamu nak buat ke kaedah macam ni? Yes or no? Do you want to use this method? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it a smart way? Adakah ini kaedah bijak? Yes or no? Tell me. Okay, very good. Okay, you can always use the shortcut. So shortcut is what? 1 minus. Okay, selalu guna satu tolak. X equal to 0. That's all. So very simple lah. So 1 minus X equal to 0, nilai dia K. Settle. Okay, so your answer is 1 minus K. That's all. So itulah jawapan dia. Okay, so you will get like this answer. Okay, so total you have 4 marks. 4 markah for binomial. Alright? Okay, so now we go taburan normal. Okay, so for normal, they ask you, what is the value of mean guys? Okay, so yang ni soalan fakta sahaja. Only fact question. So anyone? What is the mean value? Can you tell me? Yang ni semua basic tentang taburan normal. Yes. Okay, mean value, remember, look at the midpoint. Tengok titik tengah graph. Okay, so that's why mean equal to 15. Okay, standard deviation, berapa? CCM PRY. Standard deviation guys. Yes. Okay, remember nilai 9 ni adalah variance. Okay, this is variance. So variance equal to 9. So CCM PRY is equal to 3. Okay, so that's why jawapan dia macam ni. Okay, senang tak? Simple right guys? NMaths. Siapa kata NMaths tu susah? Who say NMaths so hard? So simple lah guys. Ayo. Okay, so kita dah habis bahagian A. Okay, so now for bahagian B, only got 3 question. So 3 question kamu kena pilih 2 saja. Only choose 2 question. So kamu semua bagi tahu nak bincang soalan mana. Senang. Kamu kata kat saya, kamu pilih 2 saja. So yang ni 13, yang ni 14, yang ni 15. Okay, so you all tell me which question you want me discuss. 13, 14, 15. Pilih 2. So I'll follow majority. Okay, 14. One more. Okay, 14, 15 I'll follow majority. You all tell 2 soalan. Jangan cakap satu-satu macam tu. Okay, 14, 15 masih majority lah. Okay, so I do 14, 15 Alright. So we start with 14. Okay, soalan 14 is for coordinate geometry. Okay, so for this one, they ask you find the equation of straight line CD. Persamaan garis lurus CD. Okay, so this one, alright. So the key point here is got 90-degree angle. Okay, so means that perpendicular, berserenjang. Okay, so BC perpendicular to CD. So MBC times MCD equal to how much, guys? Perpendicular, may I know? Equal to, yes, remember the formula, M1, M2 equal to -1. Okay, so now, they ask you to find CD. Okay, so may I know, guys, what is your gradient of BC? Cuba bagi tahu. What is your answer? MBC. Yes, very good. Okay, MBC sama dengan 2. Okay, remember you need to rearrange in y equal to mx plus c first. Okay, all right, so now, so 2 times MCD equal -1. So MCD equal to -half. Okay, so now you can form the equation. Kamu dapat bentuk persamaan. Okay, so y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1. Itu saja. Just substitute all the value. Okay, so this is your coordinate. So then you can form the equation. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, guys? Boleh dapat? Senang kan? Very straightforward. Okay, so you will get the answer like this. Okay, next one. A2. They ask you to find the coordinate of point C. Okay, so how to find titik C, guys? May I know? You see carefully. How to find C? Very good lah. Smart. Kamu semua memang bijak. Okay, you use y equal to y. Okay, simultaneous equation. Okay, because CD kamu ada persamaan, BC also kamu ada persamaan. So two equation, simultaneous lah. Okay, so just equalize, samakan. Okay, so you will get this equation. So this is your equation. Find the x value, x equal to 2, then ganti balik. Okay, x equal to 2, substitute inside here, y equal to -5. So make sure you give answer in coordinate, guys. Coordinate jawapan hanya boleh macam ni. Okay, you cannot give like x equal to y equal -5. Kalau kamu tulis macam ni dalam exam, still tak ada markah penuh. Okay, no full mark. Okay, because coordinate must write like this. Kena tulis dalam kurungan. Okay, in a bracket. Alright. So yeah, this is 14A. Okay, 14B, they ask you area of quadrilateral. Luas segi 4. Okay, so very simple. So this one is 0, 5. Okay, y-intercept. And then coordinate C, you get, wait, mana coordinate C? C is 2, -5. Okay, 2, -5. So you label. Okay, so what is coordinate B, guys? Can anyone tell me? Coordinate B kita tak tahu lagi. So what is coordinate B? How to find? Okay, so we know y coordinate, right? Kita tahu coordinate YB 5 kan? But we don't know the x coordinate. So how? What should I do to find x? So coordinate dia macam ni sekarang. So anyone? How to get the x? Siapa tahu? Come on, guys. How to find the x value? Yes, very good. Remember, guys, always you have an equation, you can substitute the point on the line. Any point on the line, you just substitute in the equation BC, gantikan saja. Okay, so when you solve, you will get x equal to 7. Okay, so your coordinate B is 7, 5. So then you use the formula only lah, guna rumus for your quadrilateral, half modulus. So guna kaedah ikat tali kasut. Okay, use your shoelace method. So 0, 5, -6, -1, 2, -5. So you just fill in -6, -1, 2, -5, 7, 5, 0, 5. Okay, remember, guys, when you use this method, you must start and end with the same coordinate. Okay, kena mula dan akhir dengan koordinat sama. Ingat, jangan lupa yang akhir tu. Banyak orang lupa yang ni. A lot forget. And then final answer salah. Okay, jangan lupa. Okay, so your answer is 71 unit square. Okay, any problem to solve this, guys? Kamu semua tahu kan macam mana selesaikan yang ni? Okay, just cross. Okay, silang saja. Darab semua yang ni. Lepas tu tolak. Darab semua yang ni. Okay, that's why it's shoelace method. Okay, are you clear, guys? Any problem? Question 14. Senang? So no problem, we go to the last question. Kita lihat soalan terakhir. Okay, so for question 15, this one is circular measure. Okay, form 5, chapter 1. Okay, sukatan membulat. Okay, so for first question, they ask you radius of MJKL sector. So kamu nak cari jejari MJKL. So anyone? How do we find it? Macam mana cari? So think and see, guys. Macam mana boleh cari jejari dia? So the jejari is this one, right? This is your radius. So anyone? How? Macam mana buat? Okay, so there is actually many way. Kamu ada banyak cara nak selesaikan. So basically, anyone know what do we call MJ? MJ ni kita panggil apa? There is one term for MJ in a circle. Anyone know? What is the term? Siapa tahu? Yes, we call it as chord. Okay, Indian perentas. Pernah dengar tak? This is what we call as perentas. Alright. So guys, for chord, you have a formula. Do you know that? Kamu ada rumus untuk perentas. Okay, so you must know the formula lah. Let me just check and see. Yeah, you will get the same answer. So anyone? What is the formula for chord? Can you all tell me? Apa rumus bagi perentas? Siapa tahu? Ada rumus tahu? There is a formula for it. Dan kamu boleh guna juga untuk selesaikan. Anyone? Do you know the formula for chord? Siapa tahu? No. Okay, cosine rule also can, but there is a specific formula for chord. Siapa tahu rumus tu? Or you all don't know? Semua tak tahu ke rumus perentas? No. Guys, that one is for area, guys. That one is to find area of segment. Kamu akan guna rumus tu. Now we want to find length, panjang. Okay, it's two different things. Alright, so guys, you can memorize. Okay, the rumus of chord is this one. Remember guys, perentas dia ada rumus yang unik. This is the formula. Tak akan diberi. Not given guys in SPM. So if you want shortcut, tak mau guna cosine rule, tak mau guna semua yang ni. If you want to find length of chord, terus guna yang ni. You tekan calculator akan dapat jawapan yang sama. If you don't believe me, you try. So guys, first step, 1 radian, you need to convert to degree. Okay, so convert to degree, kamu kena kali 180 bahagi pi lah. Okay, to get in degree. So guys, you substitute now. 2 pi sine 180, sine 180 over pi bahagi 2. Okay guys, press calculator and tell me what is the answer you guys get. Kamu semua dapat apa dari yang ni? Okay, if you press calculator, you will get 4.794. Am I right? So inilah jawapan dia lah guys. That's all. That's the answer. Are you clear? You see the answer over here. Sama. So guys, answer scheme, dia guna kaedah berlainan lah. It's different method, but answer still the same. Jawapan sama. Understand guys? Yes or no? This is a new method. I teaching you all. Kaedah yang baru. Lebih fantas. Terus guna rumus ni saja. Tak perlu bahagi segitiga ni lah. Guna cosine rule, all that no need. Tak perlu. Straight away dapat jawapan. That's all. Okay? Understand? Hopefully you all understand lah. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, so now question B. They ask you to find the perimeter of the shaded region. Okay, so perimeter kawasan berlorek. So kawasan berlorek yang atas lah. Okay, this one. This is the shaded region. Okay, so now you must find this one, and also this one. So basically kamu kena cari semua panjang lengkok lah. You must find all the lengths of arc. Okay, so guys, S equal to theta. Okay, so this one, S equal to phi 1. So S sama dengan 5. Okay, so this is 5 cm, this is 5 cm. Okay, so now you must find the large one, yang besar punya. Okay, so yang besar, radius, just now we got 4.794. Betul? So S equal to Al theta, S equal to 4.794. Okay, theta guys, what is your theta? Okay, sudah diberi. Major angle, JML. So seluruh yang ni, 3.6 radian. That's all lah. Kamu kira saja. Okay, then perimeter, pi plus 5 plus jawapan yang ni. Okay, then you will get the answer di. Itu saja. Okay, so this is your answer for question B. Are you clear? Yes or no? Boleh dapat? Senang kan? Very straightforward. Okay, you just need to find two info only. Then tambah jawapan. Okay? Alright, last question guys. Soalan terakhir. Okay, so this one. They ask you to find the area of shaded region. Luas kawasan yang berlorek. Okay, so now, how to find the area? Can anyone tell? Okay, the concept is basically, kamu ambil yang besar, this one, tolak yang kecil. Tolak yang ni, tolak yang ni. Then you will get the answer, right? Okay, so first, half R square theta. Okay, so for yang besar, radius is 4.794, kuasa 2, angle 3.6. So this is for yang besar. Okay, JKLM. Okay, area. Okay, and then the kecil, okay, this one you can use area of segment. Am I right? You use half R square theta minus sin theta. And then kamu kali jawapan dengan 2. Just times by 2. Okay, because it's the exact same thing. Sama saja, kiri kanan. Okay, so when you times 2, setengah ni tak ada lah. Okay, you won't have half. Okay, so you just left with this one. Okay, so 5 square theta 1 minus sin 180 bahagi pi. Okay, remember guys, sin theta, theta tu kena dalam darjah. It must be in degree. So kena convert radian kepada darjah. Okay, sin theta, cos theta, tangent theta. Theta always in degree, darjah. So then just press calculator. Okay, so your answer should get 12.5. Sorry. You should get 2 times 1.983. Okay, this is your answer for just now. Okay, so you just press calculator lah. Then ambil this one minus this one. Besar minus kecil. Okay guys, do you understand? Boleh faham? So this is the working. Ini jalan kira dia. Alright, so basically kita dah habis lah kertas 1. Okay, we already completed paper 1. Okay guys, do you understand the lesson today? Yes or no? Boleh faham seluruh apa yang saya ajar hari ini? Jelas? Lebih confident kertas 1 sekarang? So kertas 1 senang saja, very simple to score. So harap kamu semua belajarlah sesuatu hari ini. Okay? Alright. So for those yang ni trial sada, saya kena fikir.